Hey guys, check out this 42-inch pull chain ceiling fan with lights that I received for reviewing purposes.
First, the installation process is actually really simple, and I think that it's great because it also comes included with all the pieces that you're gonna need to do this installation, which I think that is really helpful. And the fan blades are reversible, so you can select if you want them on black color or a wood-like design, which I think that is nice depending of your preference and where you're gonna place it. And it's actually really quiet, running around the 30 decibels, which I think that it's perfect to install it wherever you're gonna use it, in your bedroom, in your child's bedroom, which I think that it's nice. And getting back into the proper installation process, as I've said, it's actually really simple, and I think that it's great because all the instructions are really clear. It comes with all the steps and all the tips that you need to do it, which I think that is really nice. And when you get to install the drawstrings, I think that it's great they both sides come labeled, so that way you don't mess up which one it's one. And it's actually really simple also to place the drawstring. You just need to snap on the chain, and their special design makes it really easy to find the corresponding one in the dark, and even first time visitors can know easily which one is controlling the fan or the light, reducing the number of guesses and attempts that one also makes failed. You can also customize the light temperature depending on the different scenarios where you're gonna use this ceiling fan, and you can also dim it with the remote control. This fan also has a memory function, which I think that it's nice because with the remote control you can set the wind speed and all the light settings, and the pull rope you set to turn it on or off. And once that we turn it on once again, it will be in the settings that we set up, which I think that it's really great. The wind speed can be adjusted in 6 different speeds because you can choose between a comfortable wind, a more natural wind, or a stronger wind. And it has a reversible dual direction fan, so it can keep you warm in winter and even cool in summer.
And as you can see, overall, it's actually really easy to assemble it up. It doesn't take that much long to install it, and I think that it's really great. It's a really easy functioning ceiling fan, which I think that it's nice. You get obviously the chains subset, which I think that it's really nice. And I also like that with the remote control, you can set it up for up to 8 hours, and that you can turn off the light and the ceiling fan without having to pull the chain. So if in any case you lost your remote control, you can still being able to use it like this, which I think that it's really nice. Overall, I think that it's really great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.